Hi guys, today I'm going to do a review for the outfits that I got from SHEIN, mostly tops. This is a nice top for work. You can wear it with jeans, pants, whatever you want to wear it with. This is also nice, short sleeve for summertime. It's not too bad, and for the price, yeah, I think it's a great top. The material was also good. I wasn't sure how I felt about this. It wasn't the perfect clothing. It wasn't the perfect material. It is what it is. I'm just gonna take it and take my L. And then this outfit actually came big. So I usually order extra large with SHEIN because everything runs small. But this time around, this came as extra large. I was like, oh no, you're supposed to come as medium or large. But I have to figure out how to rock this top and make it work. But yeah, it's large. Anywho, this other one, it's not bad. It's not the perfect material, but it's a good top for the price. But if you're looking for high quality top or high quality material, this is not it. But the next one that I'm gonna show you, it's the quality material. But for $7.76, you can't complain. Yes, this is a perfect material. It was good. It felt good in my body. I just loved it. For the price and everything, it was perfect. This one came big too, but I have to figure it out. I have to figure out how to wear it with a blazer or something. This is my favorite top. It's really, really, really nice. It fitted me well. I was just so happy with with the price and everything. I was just like, this is it. I can't wait to start wearing stuff to work. This one is perfect with the price and everything. This is the perfect dress. The top is also nice for work, and the dress is fantastic for the price. A good summer dress. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I was talking to myself in this video, but thank you. See you next time. Bye guys.